bedsheet.
If you guys don't know about this duvet hack, stop scrolling because it will change your life. So you take your duvet cover, make sure it's inside out, and then put the duvet insert on top and roll it really tightly until it's all rolled up such as this. And then you take each of the sides and kind of fold it in. This is probably the most difficult part. Cody ends up doing it for me. And then you should be able to roll out the duvet. Everything should be perfectly even, and then you just have to do up the buttons at the end. So much easier than trying to crawl inside it, and it's life-changing, honestly. It's so easy.
Here's one of my favorite tips to have a beautifully made bed. It starts with the bed sheets. Start with the sheet placed at the top edge of the bed. Next, tuck in the bottom part, leaving the edges hanging off like so. My sheets are Miracle Brand, and they're cooling sheets that are the softest cotton. I'm washing my sheets less because they are made out of all natural silver that prevents 99% of bacteria growth. Next, take the side sheet a quarter of the way up the bed and fold up. Then tuck in the leftover part under the mattress. Gently tuck in the remaining piece, and it leaves a nice corner.